Hey everyone, welcome back. If your LiftMaster garage door isn't closing and you're seeing error code 426, don't panic. This code points directly to a safety sensor problem, one of the most common garage door issues homeowners face. When this error happens, the opener signals it by flashing the learn button 4 times and the down arrow 6 times whenever you try to close the door. Your safety sensors sit near the bottom of the garage door tracks and send an invisible beam across the opening. If that beam is blocked, misaligned, or interrupted, the door will refuse to close to protect people, pets, and property. The most common causes of error code 426 are sensor misalignment, dirt on the sensor lenses, objects blocking the beam, or loose wiring connections. Start by checking the area between the sensors and remove anything in the way. Next, gently clean both sensor lenses with a soft cloth to remove dust or cobwebs. If the error remains, realign the sensors by loosening the mounting nuts and adjusting them until both indicator lights stay solid. Then tighten the brackets and inspect the wiring to ensure it's firmly connected to the correct terminals. Once finished, test the door by closing it and waving an object through the beam. The door should stop and reverse immediately. If the error continues, professional service may be required.